Okay, so now we're gonna link our account so it's talking to our Google Ads. And first step, we go right up here, wrench icon, linked accounts. This is our Google Ads ID. Now, all we need to do is click link, and now it's going to send a confirmation to our Google Ads account. And remember, we wanna be all under one email. Personally, this is what I like to do. We're all under one email. This is my same email that I have for my Google Ads. And so now I'm actually gonna go into the Google Ads, and right up to here, we're gonna type in the same thing, linked, cool, linked accounts. And then we're gonna be able to accept that account linking. So we're gonna go scroll through here, Merchant Center right here, details, view details, and we're gonna approve, right? So now we're completely linked. So the next thing we need to do is we need to go under manage programs. And we're gonna have this shopping ads program that we want to get approved to. So we're gonna click continue. There's gonna be a couple things. First of all, hopefully you watched the video before this. Make sure that you have all your links. And then second is we need to configure taxes. Okay, so the way I set it up is you wanna configure no nexus for all states. This is preferred, and now you really honestly don't have to do anything complicated. And then the last thing is we're gonna go back into here, and we're gonna see add product data. So this API, since we're connecting to that other app, remember, this is an API connection, and so it takes about 4 to 5 days, even 7 days sometimes, for it to start talking and to really just get approved. So you're gonna notice that it's gonna be hovering in this stage for maybe, I don't know, 6 days at the most. Now, if you've been hovering in this stage for like 6 days, you can actually contact these guys. So your Google Shopping Feed app, you can contact them and be like, hey, is everything okay with my data? I haven't been approved, or blah, blah, blah. And they'll help you out. And they'll most likely say, yes, oh, no, you forgot, you have to put in like a color right here. So that's why we went through all those steps before. So just make sure that you completed all those steps so you don't waste your time. So other than that, this is good. And then you're just gonna have to wait for the approval, and it's pretty simple. And so I'll see you guys in the next. Okay, so now we have to install our conversion tracking code, and we're gonna edit the code so that way there's actually gonna be value passed through, so we'll know exactly how much each campaign brought in as far as sales, right? So we're gonna type in conversions. We're gonna go right here. We're going to add in a new conversion. We're gonna click on website, and we're gonna click purchase, and we'll just type in conversions purchase 1. That's good. Now, a couple things is we're gonna use different values for each conversion. We're gonna leave it at 1 because we're gonna edit it, and this is all good. Leave it how it is. The most important part is gonna be a little bit later. So install the tag yourself. We are gonna choose HTML. Now, we're gonna have 2 things to choose right here. We need to install both of these codes, and I'm gonna show you exactly how we're gonna install these right now. So this is the global site tag. We need this installed on every page, and specifically actually on 2 pages. And I'll show you right now what I mean. So we're gonna actually go, okay, let's do it right here first. We're gonna click on, if I'm in the home, I go over here under online store, I click on online store, go into themes, and I click right here into edit code, right? Don't click customize, click edit code. Cool. Now, what we're gonna do is actually, we need to go into theme liquid. It's right here on the bottom. It should be very similar for you too. Right under the header tag, we need to paste this code. And I like to put a little bit of space so I just can visually see it. This is a global site tag, very important, we need it. Now, the next thing we're actually gonna put is our conversion tag, but we're gonna have to edit it a little bit. Let me show you. So now we scroll down, we wanna leave it on page load, and we're gonna have this. Now, I'm gonna show you how we're going to edit it right now, actually. So this is the code pasted right here. I'm just making it bigger. Now we are going to have to edit these 3 lines right here, and I'm gonna replace it with this. That's it. This code right here is the code we need. This is gonna help make it so we don't have any duplicate conversions. And the value code is just going to give us the actual value of the conversion. It's very important. I don't know why they don't allow us to do that. And then the currency is USD. You can change this actually to CAD, AUD. You understand where I'm going with this. So great. And so this is the code now that we are going to install, actually, right over here. That we're going to install right over here. And so we have this code, and then we're going to have to install this code. So we just pasted it. That's what I meant. We have our global site tag right here. We're going to click save. Okay, so we're going to go back into settings, and we're going to go under checkout. Scroll all the way down, and there's a way to add in these additional scripts, right here. And we just paste. That's it. We just paste it in here. This is our code, and it's absolutely perfect. Very good. I'm just double checking, making sure. Yes, yes. And we save. Awesome. So now we have it on the checkout, and then we have it everywhere else on all the other pages as well, which is super important. Now let's go ahead, go back to our account. We're going to click next. We're going to click done, and it's going to say it's unverified. Well, that's because, you know, we didn't get any conversions yet. So once we get a conversion, we could even do a test conversion. This thing will be verified, and we'll be all happy. So really good, and I'll see you guys in the very next